Hey guys, my name is Trinity and I'm back with SENSE-ATIONAL to show you another DIY video. Today I will be making paper springs. So what you will need for this will be a notebook, as well as some scissors, and a glue stick. You can use tape if you have tape readily available to you, and you may or may not want to use colors. So first off, we're going to start by ripping a piece of paper out of our notebook or any paper you really have available. Next up, I am deciding whether I want to do one piece or two, depending on how big I would like my thing to be. So this is one that is 2, as you can see. It is 2 lines worth of notebook paper. And this other one that I have is just 1. It is about 1/4 of the side, much smaller. And here are the 2 compared together. I personally like the smaller one. So you just cut the paper into 2 sections. I have chosen to do 2 lines for this video, so it is bigger to see wise. So then once you have your pieces, you are going to line them up so that you have the straight edges against the sides. From there, you're going to flip it over and you're going to see the straight edge, and you're going to fold on that edge across to the other side. And make sure to flatten it down, and you're going to do the same thing for the other side. You see the straight edge, you flip it over and you fold it down. From here, you just keep doing this until you get to the very end of the pieces of paper. At this point, as you can see, I was starting to notice how one side was going to be a little bit longer than the other. So what I've done here, as I'm undoing right now, is I have folded it underneath. So in this case, I'm going to take the glue and fold back that flap that's going to go underneath the last folding and glue it to the underside so it stays down. From here, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, except my glue is going to go on the bottom piece, or you could put it on the top as long as the 2 top pieces are sticking together. So from here, we press down to make sure all the glue is held, and then you could open it up and see your creation. So from here, I am going to grab another one that I have, and I am going to show you how to put these 2 together to create a longer one. So now here you can see the one and the other, and I kind of go out of camera zoom here, but all you have to do is you combine the 2 together. They fold nicely into each other. As I just showed how you can take it out, it's the same to go in. Now you can glue these together too if you want them to stay together, which would be advised if you want it longer. So from here, you can do many things with it. You can scrunch it in your hand, let it spring out. So from here, you can stretch it and play with it and watch it spring back and just keep doing the same motion. This might be your preferred method of playing with this, as there are many different, which is great for when you're stressed. You can also use a variety of colors to color these before you put them together, to make them colorful and fun or decorative, however you're feeling that day. And that is all I have for this video, so I hope you like it and I hope you try this out. Have a great day!